Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan. I am going to give presentation about whole heart segmentation from cardiac CT scan using 3D slicer. Here whole heart segmentation means segmenting pulmonary artery, left ventricle, right ventricle and remaining parts of the heart using 3D slicer from cardiac CT scans. Now we will open the 3D slicer application. We will do the whole heart segmentation in 5 steps. In first step, we will crop the volume. In the second step, we will create seeds. In third step, we will refine the seeds. In fourth step, we will create the 3D model of that segmentation. In fifth step, we will smooth the segmentation result. First, we will load the data, the sample data, by clicking load data button. The description link for the sample data is given in the description below. This is cardiac CT scan of the heart. We can see here 3 windows. The first window is the axial slices. The second window is the sagittal slices. The third window is the coronal slices of the cardiac CT scan. First we will crop the volume because we want slices to be isotropic and symmetric so that segmentation can be perfect. Here by clicking all modules section you can select the tool crop volume tool. You can see the dimensions of these images here 0.4 mm, 0.4 mm and 2 mm. And since we want isotropic image, here we select isotropic spacing. Here we can see after selecting isotropic spacing, the dimensions of the cropped volume are 0.4 mm, 0.4 mm and 0.4 mm in all the 3 dimensions. To have better segmentation, we will increase the spacing between the slices by 3 times. Now we can see the dimension is 1.2 mm, 1.2 mm and 1.2 mm. Apply the cropping. And to remove this cropping rectangle around the image, select this display ROI icon, disable here. You can see the rectangle is now invisible. Next we will move into segmentation. Here select the segmentation editor. Here the sketch pen here, this one is the segmentation editor. Now we have to give names to the parts which we are going to segment. We will add one by one. The first one is left ventricle. Then right ventricle. Then left atrium. Right atrium. Pulmonary artery. Vena cava. There are superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Here we are going to show both of them in the same color. Next, aorta. We can take another one, others, for displaying the tissues and all. We can change the color of these parts by clicking here. I am changing the color of the other. Here I am selecting yellow color. And when we segment it, the other parts like tissues and all will be shown in yellow color. Now we are going to create seeds. Select the paint tool here and you can change the diameter of the paint tool by moving the cursor here. Now first we will create seat for left ventricle. Now, by hovering the mouse over here and scrolling the mouse wheel, you can change the slices. You can see we can move through the slices by moving the mouse wheel. Go here, and by clicking the right just undo this selection. And by left clicking here and moving the mouse, you can change the intensity also. Just change the intensity to your required level and select the paint tool. And this is left ventricle. Next, do for aorta. Here this white portion is aorta. Create seat for aorta here. Next, pulmonary artery. Here this one is the pulmonary artery. Next we will go for right ventricle. Here this portion is the right ventricle. Next we will see left atrium. Move through the slices back. This portion is the left atrium. Create seats here. Next, move through the slices. Here this one is the right atrium. Create seat for right atrium. Next we are going to create seats for vena cava. Here this white portion is vena cava. Here in down below there is inferior vena cava. Just do inferior vena cava. Next we have to do for others also. This segment is changed, again change it to name it as others and change the color of this segment to yellow. And we have to specify the tissues around the heart with this segment. Inside this one is also, this segment is also, these are the tissues. Here in this sagittal slices also specify the tissues. In the axial slices also specify what all are all the tissues. So after we grow from seeds, these will all be segmented. Next we will grow the seeds. Select the option grow from seeds and select initialize. You can see the segmented result. Click apply. Now you can see clearly the segment, what is the segmentation result. To view 3D model of this segmentation, go to segmentation and select create closed surface. By clicking create closed surface, you can have the 3D model here. It is down below. To make it position in the middle, click the icon here. Now you can see the 3D model of the heart. See, this is left ventricle, this is right ventricle, this is the right atrium, and this is left atrium. You can also see aorta, the pulmonary artery, and the vena cava here. Now after doing this, if we have to make any refinements, if you have see here, there is some part we have to refine. We are going to edit selected and select paint tool and select which segment you have to edit. Select right atrium, and you can see here by pressing here, you can edit to the level required. To edit in the 3D model also you can edit by pressing edit in 3D views. So you can observe here, you can edit here. Like this you can refine seats. Now to smooth this 3D view, we can select smoothing option here. This is the last one, and we select joint smoothing and apply smoothing. You can see now the surface is all smooth. Like this, you can segment different parts of the heart from cardiac CT scan using 3D slicer. Thank you.